Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Dr. Oz pushes AIavatars as a fix for rural healthcare. Not so fast, critics say. CMS Administrator Mehmet Oz is proposing the use of artificial intelligence, AI, to address the rural healthcare crisis in the US. Oz suggests deploying AI-based avatars to conduct basic medical interviews, use robotic systems for remote diagnostics, and deliver medication via drones to underserved rural areas. Oz's comments come as rural hospitals face steep cuts due to legislation that reduces Medicaid spending, leading to hospital closures and reduced access to care. Critics argue that AI cannot replicate the human connection and cultural sensitivity of in-person care, and that it could deepen existing gaps in rural healthcare access. Supporters say AI could help by automating administrative tasks, allowing clinicians to focus more on patient care, and providing initial triage or access to patients when the right provider is not immediately available. There are concerns about testing unproven technology on already underserved populations, as well as the economic impact of replacing local healthcare jobs with AI technology. The public reaction to Oz's proposal has been largely critical, with many questioning whether rural communities truly want AI-based healthcare. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.